Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this CIGMAN green laser level. Ooh, CIGMAN makes really nice laser level devices. This here is the CM-505. Ooh, self-leveling option. 360 degrees horizontal laser level with vertical laser on top. Yeah, it's a vertical laser line and a horizontal laser line. And the working distance is up to 30 meters. Rechargeable battery is built in, so we do not have to replace the batteries anymore. We can dip it into position with a power supply like for our smartphone, and then it will reload the rechargeable battery which is built in. And after this, you can continue, have fun with that device. We have a rotary magnetic stand on top. That means you can dock this on a metal surface easily, mounted there freely. The green laser level is 4 times brightness than the red beam, which can provide a working distance of up to 100 feet, available outdoors. Safety laser level class 2. That means less than 1 microwatt power output. We have 1 time of 360 degrees horizontal line and 1 time 180 degrees vertical lines. This covers around the room and changes it into a cross line. 1 button to control the screen laser easily. We can easily choose to turn on and off any of that laser systems. To reduce environmental pollution, the laser level was built in a rechargeable battery. The Type-C charging saves us to the trouble of changing the batteries. We unlock the pendulum. The laser level will safe level within 4 degrees. Otherwise, the laser will keep flashing, so you can see it if it is not in a 4 degrees level area. But if you have this in this range, it will make it automatically. We lock the pendulum to switch to the manual mode. This meets our alignment needs from different angles. So you can see this is a nice device. The green laser line here, the CIGMAN CM-505 cross-line laser projects a horizontal 360 degrees line and a vertical laser line with an opening angle of 100 per degrees, is self-leveling and ensure that alignment work is carried out precisely. The green laser technology provides up to 4 times better visibility than devices with red laser on the market. Due to its easy operation, the CM-505 laser level can be used for home and garden too, thanks to the dust and splash waterproof protectant IP54. The CIGMAN professional construction laser CM-505 is ideal for demanding everyday construction site work. We have a horizontal 360 degrees line on the top side of this. It looks like a little bit like a tin, as you can see, isn't it? Of course, you can adjust it easily, as you can see, and you can take another one on top. So you can add a lot of laser lines to it if you like. Of course, we have a brightness adjustment knob too to adjust the brightness a little bit for a longer service time. We have an automatic and manual mode switch, the charging port on the front side, a power button. The power button is easy. You push and hold it for approximately 2 seconds and it will switch on. Then you push and push and push and push, and you can switch between the lines, and you hold up it in, then it is off. We have magnetic points on the bottom side, 1/4 and 1/4 inches screw hole. This is a standard for nearly all tripods out there. And we have a vertical line. Ooh, that's awesome. Up to 30 meter, there's a 100-inch working range. With the green laser, we goes 4 times better than the laser with the red light. That's cool. Accuracy of plus minus 1.5 millimeter if we do that in 5 meter. That means we have only plus minus 1.5 millimeter per meter in accuracy. And we have a compact size. The size is the same as 11 ounce or pound of average bottle. Easy to carry and convenient to hold. And the adjustment brightness. We just choose the brightness from our level. 6 hours super long working time is possible. And rechargeable lithium battery. A 2000 mAh capacity lithium battery is equivalent to 1333 AA batteries. And charging cable are included, so you can see it's better for the nature and for your pocket and for your wallet too. And we have an L-shaped magnetic mount. With the magnetic holder, the laser can be flexible attached to metal surfaces and rotated horizontally by 360 degrees. You can see it's really awesome because it's easy to handle, easy to attach, and awesome with a good line direction. This is the really good looking and working CIGMAN green laser level. It's a self-leveling device with 360 degrees horizontal laser and a vertical laser too, if you like. 30-meter working distance, and we have a built-in rechargeable battery and rotary magnetic stand. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.